Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing Bantu knots with braiding hair. Pretty simple, quick, easy. And all you're going to need is rubber bands, combs, braiding hair. We are using Braid Babe and it comes with 3 bundles and I only use 1 pack. And shining gel. Right here, I'm just putting a little bit of oil on the rubber bands, not too much, just so when I put it in my hair, it doesn't tug at it or pull it out. You don't have to put much of this. I'm already starting with my hair pre-parted because it is really hard to part my hair on camera. So right here, I'm just going in with the shining gel to get it smooth, well, as much as I can, because my hair has been giving me a lot of trouble. But yeah, we're just going to use that shining gel to smooth it down. After you smooth it down, just take that rubber band, put it right on there. And then when I put the rubber band on, I'm just going to twist my hair. And I'm going to use that twist as the base, well, kind of the base for the braiding hair to make it easier. Because I don't know how to braid with extensions, or what do you guys call it? Weave? I don't know. I don't know how to braid with that stuff. But with the twist, it was pretty easy. I'm just going to repeat those steps. The shining gel, the rubber band, and then the twist. Simple. Okay, so now that we are all done, I did all my twists. And guys, please excuse my edges. They are just, I don't know, since I did the passion twist hairstyle, it kind of poked my edges out. And yeah, this is how we're looking, so please excuse it. But yes, we are done with all the twists. And I'm going to go in with the braiding hair. This is 1 bundle of hair, and I'm going to split the 1 bundle into 4 pieces. So I'm going to get 4 Bantus out of 1 bundle of hair. And as you can see, I'm putting the braiding hair under the twist, because when I was putting it over, it was not working. Put it under and then just braid. I can't really explain it, but yeah, saw what I did, and yeah, that's that. I'm braiding the braid to almost the end of my natural hair, and I'm gonna twist it. Just twist and twist, and then just start wrapping it. And like I said, excuse my edges, but yeah, worry about the Bantu knot, just focus on that. So just wrap, and it didn't give me much trouble, but it takes a little practice. So the more you do, the better you will get. Yeah, just twist. And as you are going around the Bantu knot, just keep twisting and twisting and twisting. And try to start from the top and work your way down. The hair was so long, honestly. If I got to the bottom too quick, I went right back up over the first layer and just twist back down again. As you can see, I'm just going with the flow. And it was coming out cute, so I was like, okay, we're just gonna do that. I'm looking at it like that because I didn't know if it was like too big. I'm like, do this look cute? I didn't know. So I did a couple more. I'm just gonna repeat it here. Braid down. When I get to the end of my natural hair, start twisting. And then just wrap that Bantu knot. I think I did about 11 or 12 Bantu knots. But I'll let you guys know in the description box. Twist, twist, and then wrap. Keep twisting it, you guys, so you can have that twisting effect, I guess. Just keep twisting. And let me just say, you guys, when you do this hairstyle, please start from the back. I started from the front for you guys, but when you're doing it, start from the back, because when I did the front and I went to do the back, the knots were so big that it was just like too much. So just do the back first and then work your way up. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a couple more on camera. And yeah, that's it. And also, you guys, as you can see, my parts are not straight, but that is okay. The knots are so big, you probably won't even be able to notice it that much. It's fine. The parting was a little hard, but I got through it. I did that. Okay, you guys, I am done with the hair, covering my edges. But look, you guys, look at that. Look at that. That is looking fly for real. Them edges though, girl, no. Them edges, girl, gotta get that right. Hello. Yes, now look at them edges. Look at them edges. The whole hairstyle, everything popping. This is the final look, you guys. Okay, so I used the edge booster. It's a little one because I wanted to try it. And as you can see, the edge booster was amazing for those edges. And then I'm going in with the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shine Mist, just to give it that finishing look, you know, give it a little shine. Yep. But yep, this is the final look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you can know when your girl uploads. Thanks for watching, you guys. Love y'all.